Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling GPS and mobile data so the phone reports precise coordinates. Open Geo's coverage tool or a trusted network mapping app. Grant location permissions when prompted. Once done, enter your area name or PIN to center the map on you and mark current signal strength as a baseline. Make sure to record any dead zones. This helps when comparing tower locations versus actual reception. This first step creates accurate input data for the next, more detailed detection actions. You now switch the phone to 5G preferred or NR mode to force connections that reveal nearby 5G cells. Open a signal analysis app to read cell ID, PCI, RSRP, and RSSI values. These numbers tell you which cell you're attached to and how strong it is. Once you have cell ID, cross-check them with tower markers on the coverage map and turn on satellite overlay to see rooftops or masts. Make sure to log multiple readings while walking to triangulate the most probable tower. You finish by moving toward increasing dBm or improving RSRP until readings peak. That vector usually points directly to the tower. Once located, take screenshots of the cell ID and map coordinates, and if needed, report the exact data to Geo for confirmation or maintenance. If things go wrong, first restart the device, toggle airplane mode, and reinsert the SIM. If that fails, test another phone to rule out handset issues. This final verification closes the loop and solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.